Understanding dual extrusion in 3D printing. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of technology: dual extrusion. This term is often used in 3D printing, and understanding it can expand your technical English vocabulary. Let's dive in and learn together. Dual extrusion refers to a type of 3D printing technology. In simple terms, it's a method where a 3D printer uses two different materials or colors simultaneously during the printing process. Imagine a regular printer, but instead of ink, it uses materials like plastic to create three-dimensional objects. The word dual means two, indicating that this technology involves two separate sources of material. In dual extrusion, the printer has two nozzles or print heads. Each nozzle can extrude, or push out, a different material. This allows for more complex and colorful designs. For example, you can print an object in one color and its details in another. It's like having two pens and using them alternately to draw a picture. One of the biggest advantages of dual extrusion is its ability to create multi-material objects. This means you can have parts of an object that are rigid and other parts that are flexible. It's also great for adding support structures in a different material, which can be easily removed after printing. Despite its benefits, dual extrusion can be more complex and prone to errors. Aligning the two nozzles correctly is crucial, and using two materials can lead to issues like material oozing from one nozzle while the other is printing. It requires careful setup and operation. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of dual extrusion in 3D printing. It's a great example of how technology terms can be broken down and understood in English. Remember, learning technical vocabulary can open up new worlds of knowledge. Keep exploring and learning.